Welcome to Mr. English Flow.
English for everyone. Let's make learning fun.
Join us.
Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Mr. English Flow. Learning English here is simple, relaxed, and fun. I'm David.
Hey, David. Happy to be here again with you and all our listeners.
Great to have you, Alice. How are you today?
I'm doing very well, thank you. I had a calm morning today. What about you?
I'm good too. My morning was quiet and peaceful.
Peaceful mornings are the best, right?
Yes, they really are. And you know, when we talk about morning, sometimes we talk about today and sometimes we talk about yesterday.
Oh, I see where this is going.
Yes, today's topic is talking about the past.
That's a very useful topic, talking about things that already happened.
Exactly, like yesterday, last night, last week, even last year.
We use it all the time in real-life conversations.
Yes, every day. But before we go back in time, let's stay in the present for one moment.
Yes.
If you enjoy learning with us,
Please like the video
and subscribe to Mr. English Flow.
and share this with your friends who want to learn English.
Thank you so much. Your support really helps us. Okay, Paul, let's start simple.
Good. I like simple.
Let's talk about the word was.
Was. Okay.
Today, I say, I am happy. Yesterday, I say, I was happy.
So am becomes was.
Exactly. Let's try another. Today, the room is clean. Yesterday, the room was clean.
Oh, that's easy.
Yes, very easy. Now I ask you, where were you yesterday evening?
Yesterday evening, I was at home.
Good, very good.
What about you?
I was at a small cafe yesterday.
Nice.
Repeat slowly. I was at home.
I was at home.
Perfect.
What about are?
Good question. Are becomes were. Today, we are happy. Yesterday, we were happy.
Oh, were.
Yes, repeat. We were happy.
We were happy.
Now let's talk about actions.
Like walk, talk, cook?
Exactly. Most verbs are easy. Just add ed in last, called regular verbs.
Okay.
Today, I walk. Yesterday, I walked.
Walk, walked.
Good. Try this. Today, I watch TV. Yesterday?
I watched TV.
Perfect. More examples. Play becomes played. Clean becomes cleaned. Call becomes called.
This is easy. I like this.
Tell me about yesterday morning.
Okay, yesterday morning, I walked to the shop. I listened to music.
Very good. What happened next?
I waited for my coffee and I ordered tea.
Excellent. You used waited and ordered. Perfect. Now, small challenge.
Uh-oh.
Some verbs are different. They don't use ed.
Oh, irregular verbs.
Yes. Today, I go to work. Yesterday, I went to work.
Went, not goed.
Yes, not goed. Today, I eat rice. Yesterday, I ate rice.
Ate. Okay.
Today, I drink tea. Yesterday, I drank tea.
Drank. Nice.
Today, I see a bird. Yesterday, I saw a bird.
I saw a movie yesterday.
Great sentence. Today, I take a photo. Yesterday, I took a photo.
I took many photos last weekend.
Today, I have a car. Yesterday, I had a busy day.
I had coffee this morning.
Now let's make a full story.
Okay, I'll try. Yesterday was great. I went to the city with my friend.
Nice start.
We walked in the market. I saw a nice jacket.
Good mix.
Then we went to a restaurant. I ate noodles and I drank juice.
Perfect story. My turn. Yesterday, I went to a small village. I stayed in a hotel.
Sounds peaceful.
I walked in nature. I saw trees and animals.
Nice.
I ate simple food. And I read a book in the evening.
That sounds relaxing.
Remember, regular verbs add ed. Irregular verbs, different forms.
And mistakes are okay, right?
Yes, mistakes are part of learning.
Let me try a full day. Yesterday, I woke up early. I ate breakfast. I went to work. I worked a lot. I talked to my boss. I came home.
That's amazing. Let's review. Go becomes went. Eat becomes ate. Drink becomes drank. See becomes saw. Take becomes took. Have becomes had. Come becomes came.
And regular verbs, walked, played, watched.
Wow, we learned a lot today.
Yes, now I feel more confident talking about yesterday.
That's the goal. Now it's your turn.
Tell us in the comments, what did you do yesterday?
You can write simple sentences. I watched TV. I ate dinner. I went to the park.
Don't forget to subscribe to Mr. English.
And share this lesson with your friends.
Thank you for listening.
See you next time. Bye.
Bye.